Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Spotify and signing into the account that holds the queue. Once playing a song, tap the queue icon, 3 lines with a play symbol, so you can see items. Make sure you understand up next is temporary. Deleting here won't remove saved playlists or liked tracks. Now, focus on the list. Identify songs you added versus algorithmic recommendations, because you'll remove manual additions first. This speeds cleanup and prevents accidentally removing songs you rely on later. Once you're viewing the queue, remove entries precisely. On mobile, swipe left and tap Remove. On desktop, right-click a song and choose Remove from Queue. If you have many items, first delete the ones you personally added, then tackle algorithmic suggestions, because order matters for playback. To change sequence, choose Play Next or Add to Queue rather than deleting and re-adding. This preserves history and avoids duplicates. Make sure to confirm changes visually, so you don't leave unwanted tracks behind. Finish by stopping playback, reopening the queue, and verifying it's empty. This ensures Spotify applied your edits. If removed songs reappear, close and restart the app, because temporary sync glitches often resolve that way. Make sure to log out and back in if restart fails. This forces account sync. If the problem continues, clear the app cache or reinstall to reset local data. Only do this if you're comfortable re-downloading offline content. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes persistent queue issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.